Hi friends, welcome to Python quiz from Rajan Robotics. We are going to understand the Python concepts here. So in today's quiz, we are going to understand the data type of Python. Okay, so y is equal to 1, 2 and 3. So here 1 is an inside the flower braces, 2 in the square braces, 3 in the circular braces. Print type of y. So the options are error, dictionary, list and tuple. Your time starts now. Yes, I hope you have guessed the answer. The answer is tuple. So we can get confused. So here we have this is an set, and this is a list, and this is the tuple, right? So how a single variable can hold different sequential data without any parentheses enclosing them? So according to Python, a tuple can have circular braces or may not. It is an optional. So when we have a sequence of data with one variable, automatically Python will allocate it as an tuple, right? And this method is called as packing. Okay, we call this as packing, tuple packing. We will understand them in the Python and we will come back. So the same thing I have typed here, y is equal to flower braces 1, square braces 2, 3 in the circular braces. Now let us run the module and see what's the output. So it says class tuple. So even we can have all the sequence of data within the circular braces, or we cannot. It's an optional one. So this is called as packing, right? Let us understand the packing. So when we have a sequence of data, right, with one variable, we call them as packing. They are putting different sequence of data in one variable or one object is called as an packing. And this is called as tuple packing, and this is same as circular braces. The values, this is same. Okay, and when we ask id of 1, when we are using indexing, so we get the Rajan. This is the 0th element according to indexing. So when we have packing, we will be having unpacking. So unpacking is nothing but taking the objects from the pack. Okay, and unpacking. So this is the packing. So now with one single variable, right, one single variable, we can put them in 3 data, right? We are going to put the values of id into 3 different variables. Okay, and this we called it as an tuple unpacking. Okay, so now what happens, what Python does is, so Rajan will be inside the name, 30 will be age, the second value to the second variable, and third value to the third variable. So ht will be 6.1. And when we ask print age, so Python will be giving the value of age as 30. This we call it as an tuple unpacking. Now let us try the same in Python. Okay, so id equal to Rajan 36.1, name, age, so same thing. So when we ask print age, so now let us see what does Python say. See, it says 30. So we got this is called as tuple packing and unpacking, right? So in this way we can learn plenty of things from Python, Arduino, robotics and creative coding, plenty of courses. So to learn more, register your details in the following link, or you can scan and register your details to get the updates about the courses, and follow us on Facebook, YouTube and Instagram in the Rajan Robotics page, so that you can get all the updates. And please subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.